Right, I've just replaced this old bit of rubbish here. There's lots of, there was a bit of a leak on there. So I put this new T-piece in to this. I've left this little one here for a new cold water feed for the upstairs bathroom in the future. This is the shore stop valve, and this here is the little switch. So we got the kitchen tap on there and the bathroom tap on here. So all I have to do is switch this off. The bathroom tap is finished. And that one is nearly finished. I think it's just finished now. Oh, that's good. So it looks like it worked, and I will check for any leaks. I'll leave that for a few hours under pressure, see if it's working. Excellent.